Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device, so how to add it or remove it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find accounts. As you can see, of course, here we've got whole Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on accounts, and as you can see here we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing it. Let's tap on it and simply tap on remove account here. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And as you can see, if you've got any kind of password currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, after entering the password, the device will immediately remove the account. So now let's add it. So nothing easier, just tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. So you can use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, it doesn't really matter. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on it and tap on next. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So now I have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.